Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's crack of ass in the morning right now. I'm out 45 minutes away from my house. Got a call yesterday that the gentleman was looking for a welder. He needed someone to fix some of his equipment. So I'm here fixing a ram on an excavator. The eyelet on the end of the ram broke off, so I gotta fix that. He has yet to show it to me. I'm sitting here just waiting for him to come out. Not a big deal. But I'd really like to start off by saying thanks to everybody and just staying tuned and, you know, hitting that like button or the subscribe button. All input is great. I love it all. Negative, positive, I don't care. Feedback is great. No matter how you take it, it's great. I'd really like to do a lot more of this and show you a lot more things that I can do, things that can be fixed that most people think that can't. A couple sponsors would be great. Fronius Welders, if you're listening, I'll put those AccuPockets to a test. Nothing that you could do on your bench, okay? Hit me up. So for now, I'm gonna sit here and wait, and I'll get all set up, and we'll go from there. Set up, just about ready to go. Kind of want to just run over it real quick on what we're doing. This is the unit. It's an older unit, but it's nice. Takachi, I think that's how you say it. Takuchi. Takuchi. Ah, a good one. Anyways, this is what we're doing. We're repairing the eyelet for the ram for the thumb. So on the end of the ram, it broke off. This piece right here. You can tell it's already been welded before, somewhat. So what we're gonna do today is we gotta clean all that out. Let me get this off of here. We gotta clean that out. We gotta somehow get this back to a conical, so the high point's in the center and it's all ground down all the way down to here, so that I can fill weld from the very center all the way out. And we're going to do the same thing here. This has a slight roll to the end of it, so I think I'm just going to take my bandsaw and give a nice flush cut on the end of it, and then I'll conical grind that too, so it's like a cone. So we'll have two cones facing each other, and I'll just fill it with weld. And for this, we're gonna run some 1/8 110 stick rod. The 110 is the tensile strength of the rod. So if you look at a regular wire feeder, your general wire is a ER70S or something like that, which means it's 70,000 pounds of strength per square inch. This needs more than that because it has a lot of load on it. So you need about, you know, the heaviest and the strongest material you could use, which is a 110 rod, or you could do it in like a 108 flux core or 110 flux core. But today we're choosing to run the old Hobart, baby, and some 110. So that's what we're gonna do. We need it going. Get that cut. I'll get it prepped, and then I'll be back with you later. Well, forget it. So I gotta show you. I forgot to tell you that on the Rams, you gotta cover them, because even though you can cover them all you want, but see that little bit of spatter right there? That will fuck that seal right up. So always protect that ram. But that's what we got. She's on there. And everything is, you know, the weld is bigger than the bar itself. That's all that matters. But anyways, that's what we're doing. Cleaning up now. Woo! Boy, is it cold, it's chilly. We're heading off to the next one. He's got another one. He's got a front loader. Not really a full-size front loader, but we right behind the cutting edge, where the cutting edge bolts on, is paper thin. Some of the spots even worn through, and you can stick your finger through. So it won't be long before that cutting edge just falls off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go there. Probably going to snap a line on the bottom of the bucket and cut the whole cutting edge right off, and then we'll plate it with some new material, and then we can weld the new piece to that for the cutting edge that we bolt on. So we're gonna head there and go do that, but man, I gotta warm up first. That wasn't that far, a couple minutes down the road. That's the unit. We out here, baby. That's what I gotta do. Right there. So that's the cutting edge right there. That's the part of the blade bucket that it bolts to. And then right here is where it's all weak. So I gotta cut all the way that way with the plasma, and we'll get it prepped so that when he has a new piece we can just come and weld it on. The other thing I wanted to kind of address was I don't think I'm going to do any more like progress sped up videos of me actually working, just because the software I have is kind of cheap. It only lets you do ×4 the speed, so it really makes my videos quite long. So I probably won't be doing that anymore, but I will show you the start, hopefully some mid progress, and the end. We're doing it, baby. We're here. This thing's a fucking weapon, bro. Give us some, where's the throttle on this fucker? This should be good. Tall enough for me to snap a line on the back, cut it off with the plasma. Boom! See what the backside looks like. Oh Jesus! Look at that. This fucking camera. Oh shit! There's a huge, pretty big gap right there. What the fuck's going on there, huh? Yee, fuck. Yeah, she's cracked all the way on the bottom, man. All the way. It's alright. That's what I do. Look at that fucking power, baby. Homemade. Get you some. Get it, baby. Oh, we did it. There it is. I did it. Cut off. Ready to go. I'm probably not going to prep it, just for the simple fact I'll have to re-prep it by the time I get back here again. Anyways, just because of surface rust. But that's it. Bomb ass fucking cutting blade.
appreciate it. And like I said, any help, any opinions, I take them. And all you sponsors